Well, hello everyone. This is ACMA Orunabo Chatterjee. Today I'm back with another video with a new thing of concern for the CMA profession, for the CMA people. Well, the fact is, I hope most of you have seen that some of the biggest companies in India, at the time of recruiting, at the time of mentioning their JD, they generally mention two more degrees in their job recruitment list. One is the ACCA degree and the second one is the CPA degree, and there is another Indian professional course which they generally mention for their recruitment team. Well, my question is, these big companies which are operating in India, they are taking ACCA, fine, they are taking CPA, fine. I do not have any grudge against them interviewing or taking these candidates. These are great courses, professional courses, and great professionals also. I have no problem with that. My problem lies is, why don't these companies at the time of mentioning the recruitment status, that which are the statutes that they will be interviewing, why they are not mentioning CMA at least for interviewing? There can be n number of reasons for this. I am saying some of them. One is, isn't the Institute of Cost Accountants of India not proactive enough to reach out to them, to say them in details about our course curriculum, about our course structure? Aren't they not satisfied with our structure of examination taking pattern? I don't know. Whenever these big companies are recruiting, they are taking ACCA, CPA, and another degree. Why not CMA? Such a triumphant institute, such brilliant professionals, then what is the lacking point in the market that they are not taking CMAs? Take interviews. If you do not, if they do not fail, if they do not pass, then I think you can take the person whom you like. But what is the point in not even mentioning CMA, but you are mentioning another professional degree of India and you are taking ACCA and CPA? This is also a thing of concern for the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. ये सारे वीडियोस को शेयर करो वो काउंसिल मेंबर्स को. सारा इंस्टीट्यूट एग्जाम पैटर्न के पीछे पड़ा हुआ है. Let the department who is thinking about examination only think about exams. The recruitment department, the placement department, work hard day and night for the recruitment, because only passing and not getting jobs is not enough, is not good for the reputation of the CMA Institute. The placement cell of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India should be one of the busiest cells, much more than the past. Reach out to these companies, take your curriculum, whatever we have right now, talk about our exam structure, our exam pattern, our exam syllabus. Talk with them that what is the lacuna in the market, why at the time of recruiting other professional courses, why aren't you naming CMAs? Take interviews with CMA professionals. Such stalwarts are there in the CMA professionals. I bet they are better than any other professional. आई होप प्लीज़ इसको पहले शेयर करो. सारे CMA मेंबर्स को पहले इसको शेयर करो. जितने भी काउंसिल मेंबर्स है, जो भी है, ये वीडियो शेयर होना चाहिए उनके तरफ, इफ़ यू वांट द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द CMA प्रोफेशन. उसके बाद में सोचेंगे कि हम लोग का सिचुएशन यहाँ से इम्प्रूव होता है कि नहीं. सो प्लीज़ थिंक अबाउट दिस. प्लीज़ शेयर द वीडियो. I do not need likes, I do not need my subscribers, I don't have any interest of them. I want the CMA profession to be on the top. That's it. Please help me out in sharing my video. Thank you. Until next time, with a new topic, with a new point of concern. Please share it. Thank you.